Hi, today we are going to see 4D variable coordinate map in lecture 9 and this is vanilla. Right, we know that coordinate map is a diagram made up of squares, right? So here 4 variable coordinate map, it is going to have 16 squares because 2 power 4 is going to be 16. So I am just going to take A, B, C, D as 4 variable. So this side 2 variable, this side 2 variable because I have 4 combinations. So 2 power 2 I can have 4 combinations, this side I can have 4 combinations, right? So here it's A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar. And this side C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D and C, D bar. So here we can find the values of the squares here. So this is A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. So 0, 0, 0, 0, the value is going to be 0, decimal value is 0. 0, 0, 0, 1 is 1. 0, 0, 1, 1 is 3. So 0, 0, 1, 0 is going to be 2. Similarly, you will get it as a find its corresponding decimal. So 4, 5, 7, 6. And here it is going to be 1, 0, 0, 0. So this is going to be 8, 9, 11, 10. And here this is going to be 12, 13, 15 and then 14. So this is the value. You have to bypass this one. So 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 14, 16, 14. So why this number, how this number comes, you have to know this one, right? So why this shift is there? So because only one variable can be changed at a time here to have a stable problem, to have a stable condition here, right? Suppose what happens if I change this variable. So A, B, C, D, if I take this A, B this side and C, D this side, then what happens we'll see now, right? So similarly A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D and C, D bar. Now what happens here is, so here how to find the value? 0, 0, 0, 0. So the value is 0 here, right? Here it is 0, 1, 1, 1. So sorry. 0, 1, 0, 0. So this is going to be 4. So here it is going to be 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10. Again this is going to be 12, 13, 15 and 14. So this is how the cell value is going to be changed. So while keeping the variable, you have to remember this one. So first 2 variable, next 2 variable. Now this is going to be the format. Okay. So now we will solve a problem here. Find the minimal SOP. So minimal SOP, sum of product. So for if you want to find the sum of product, you can find it only from the min term. Summation means min term, right? That is small m, right? So here this is the maximum value is going to be 7. So you can have either 2 power 3 or 2 power 4. So 2 power 3 now is going to be 8. 8 minus 1, the value should be 7. Here it is going to be 16 minus 1, the value is going to be 15. So since it's going to be 11, your more than that of your 7, it's going to be 4 variable. So this is how I have decided it's a 4 variable. And here they didn't mention anything about your variable. So I have the liberty to take the 4 variable. So I'll take A, B, C, D. Right? So now I have to, after plotting this corner map, first fix the values here, cell values, so that it will be easy for you. In the corner you can use the different color to mention the values here, right? So this is going to be 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15 and 14. Now just represent this min term, whatever here they have given. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now I have to go for grouping. So here first what you have to see is, you have to see the grouping here as octet first you can see, then you can go for quad, then you can go for pair. Whether octet is possible, I told that I can roll it vertically as well as horizontally. If I am going to roll it as a horizontally, these 4 is going to be the adjacent of these 4. So I can have it as a octet. So this is going to be the octet. So 1 and 2. So here what happens is A bar, A get cancels with each other. I have B bar, right? Here this is C bar, it get cancels with C, C. D bar, D, D bar, D, D bar. So the only value is going to be B. So I can have your octet value as B. Next I have to search for quad. So here I can have this one, right? So just see here. So this is going to be the quad. So what happens? This B bar, B get cancels with each other. I have A bar here. Again here what happens? C bar, D bar, C, D bar. So C and C bar get cancels with each other. I have only the D bar. And I have to make sure that all the minterms has been grouped here. All the minterms has been grouped here. So your F value is going to be B bar plus B bar plus your A bar, D bar. So this is about your, this is how in your 4 variable CORDNAP how to reduce the Boolean functions here. So suppose if instead of giving minterms, if you are going to give it in terms of expression, have to convert into a minterm, right? So since this is going to be the 4 variable CORDNAP, 4 variable, because A, B, C, D, that is the maximum, right? All the terms should have 4 variables. So here D is missing, here it is C and D is missing. So I'll be using the missing terms as D, D bar, C, C bar into D, D bar. I have to multiply and I have to find the minterm. So after that, I have to go for the CORDNAP map. So here is going to be A, B, C, D. Then after plotting this one, I have to go for the values here, right? So this is going to be 0, 1, 3, 2. Then it is going to be 4, 5, 7, 6. This is going to be 8, 9, 11, 10. And here this is going to be 12, 13, 15 and then 14. So now plot the minterms. So 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now I have to start grouping here. So for grouping, first we have to see octet is possible or not. So octet is possible? No, because it has only 7. So I have to go for quad. I can go for quad, this quad here. So this quad is C bar, C bar, C, C get cancelled, D bar, D, D, D bar get cancelled. So the value is going to be AB here, right? Then I can see, I can go for another quad. I can go for this quad. So here this B, B bar get cancelled with each other. So I'll have your A, and here it's going to be C, C bar get cancelled with each other. So I have your D bar. Then plus I can have this quad. So for this quad, it is going to be again B bar B get cancels with each other. I can have your A, and here C, C is there, D, D bar get cancelled. So A, C. So the value is going to be AB plus AC plus AD bar. So this is how you have to minimize using your CORDNAP map. So problems for practice is, so here F is equal to, I have given the expression, find the minterms and use your CORDNAP map. So here the minterms are given directly, you can use your CORDNAP map. And then here the minterms is given, you can use your CORDNAP map directly. So this is how you have to use the variable here. Okay? For any doubts, you can post it in the comments. I'll get back to you. Thank you guys. Subscribe my channel for automatic updates. Have a nice day.